Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by adding a live wallpaper extension to Chrome so the browser itself supplies animated backgrounds. Open Chrome, search the Chrome Web Store for live wallpaper, and choose an extension with good ratings and recent updates. Once you find one, click Add to Chrome and accept the permissions. This installs the extension and puts its icon in your toolbar. You do this now because extensions are the fastest, safest route. Once installed, you can move straight to configuring the background. Once the extension is installed, click its icon to open the gallery and pick a wallpaper you like. You'll see options for resolution, aspect ratio, and whether the animation auto-plays or loops. Choose what fits your monitor and taste. Make sure to set performance options like frame rate and quality so animations don't slow your system, and decide whether the wallpaper runs only on new tabs or all pages. This balances visual quality with CPU and battery usage, which is important for smooth. Apply the chosen wallpaper and open a new tab to verify the animation and placement look right. You can further customize timing, audio, or motion effects in the extension settings, then save and, if necessary, restart Chrome to finalize changes. If the animation lags, freezes, or causes crashes, make sure to disable other extensions one by one and lower quality or frame rate. This isolates conflicts and reduces load. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the extension as a final reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.